Do you have a habit of holding your pen too tightly or holding it too close to the tip? Do you feel pain in your palm and wrist muscles after writing continuously for hours? You might be death gripping your pen or pencil just like me.
Hi, I'm Neha from Art and Stuff, a calligraphy and mandala artist. I am a content creator, an art educator, and a small business owner. I make videos on art, calligraphy, mandala, digital art, DIYs, and much more. So, if you're an artist or want to become one, consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video.
But what exactly is a death grip? Death grip refers to a condition when you have a habit of holding your pen or pencil or any writing instrument way too tightly or too close to the tip, which leads to pain in your palm, wrist, muscles often. This might be a problem for artists like me who find it difficult to change their habit or change their way of holding a pen. This won't bother us in the short term, but I have observed immense pain in my hand if I write for long hours continuously. So, let's look at a few ways to improve and retrain ourselves. Relax your pen or pencil or the writing instrument near the thumb. Instead of holding the pen to the index finger, relax it over this area near the thumb so that you don't have to apply much pressure while holding the pen or the pencil. Hold the pen from the middle portion or the lower end portion. Holding the pen too closely to the tip needs more pressure, which leads to hurting your hands. So, practice holding it from the middle portion for best results. Make sure your index finger is relaxed on the pen. This particular position shows that there is too much pressure coming from the index finger, which ends up hurting your muscles and ends up in muscle pain. So, relax your index finger on the pen instead of applying too much pressure from the index finger to the pen. Use pens with grips or cushioning. If you feel comfortable, you can use cushioning on your pen so that your fingers have an additional support while writing. The last but the most important tip for retraining your mind is practice and be mindful. Be mindful while writing and observe which position or which pen hurts your hands. Practice holding your pen the right way to develop a habit of it. We need to retrain our mind for it, which will definitely need a lot of patience and practice. And remember to take breaks, stretch your arms and fingers to ensure good health of your arm. There is no need to write or draw continuously for hours. Take frequent breaks and take care of yourself.
Also, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you next week with a new video. Bye.